Welcome to Education That Works. Today, I'll show you how to accept the terms and conditions. So, from the overview page, we're going to go here on the left and click on it. And then we will go to Co-op, click on this, and then click on Co-op Dashboard. Now, this will show up to you. We will scroll down a bit, and then we'll go to Work Terms right here. This. And then we requested for winter 2023. So here, accept terms and conditions. You see this. So you click on it. And then now, this will show to you. And then you just have to read the terms and conditions agreement. And at the end of it, you have close or accept. So accepted. And then now that it is accepted, we are able to see the job postings under Co-op. And there you go. That's it for today. And in the next video, I'll show you how to see the Co-op job postings and the career job postings. Thank you for watching.